This is a short video showing you how to deal with a humpback bridge. As you can see, there are warning signs on the left. As we come around the bend, the bridge will be ahead of us. If we look beyond the bridge, we'll see a large lorry, so we'll slow down and give way. Any large vehicles will be visible, but smaller ones will be hidden by the wall and the hedge, so always be careful as you approach and make sure you're at a sensible speed if you're not having to give way. What we can do when we move off is sound our horn. That will help warn other people that we're coming through. Always listen out for other horns as well. So as we move off here, we'll see a car approaching on the bridge. They're already quite far across, so we'll slow down and reverse back and give them enough space to get through. It may be worth sounding the horn again when we move off because we still can't see properly ahead of us. So as you can see in this clip here, there's a lot of traffic. I've been waiting in this queue for a while, and the traffic is just queuing across that bridge constantly. Now I've made a decision that there's probably some traffic trying to come in the opposite direction that just cannot get through. So I've started to hang back from the car in front of me. I'm going to wait and see if any traffic does appear. I do need to be aware that there could be vehicles coming behind me that don't really agree with my decision, and they decide to go around me, and that's fine. I'm just going to keep an eye on my mirrors and make sure I know what's going on. I really don't know if there is any traffic there, but there probably is likely to be some. So there could be a few cars or there could be a lot of cars, and I'm just going to have to see what comes. So as it happens, I'm actually sat here for over a minute waiting for a pretty much constant stream of cars to come through, at which point I then decide to obviously sound my horn and deal with it as we did before. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.